Introducing our best mini PCs for 2023. This PCs is perfect for any family, student, or anyone looking to get the most out of their computing experience. It has a powerful processor and graphics card and plenty of room to store pictures, music, and videos. Find out what it's all about in these informative videos. The best mini PC links are given in the description box. Number 1. Trikey Green G3 Mini PC. This mini PC is a mini computer that was released in 2020. It is a part of the Green G3 series of mini PCs. The Trikey Green G3 mini PC is powered by an Intel Celeron J4125 processor and comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It has a micro SD card slot for expandable storage. The Trikey Green G3 mini PC has a number of ports including HDMI, USB 3.0, USB Type-C, and Ethernet. The mini business desktop PC supports 2.5-inch SSD or HDD, up to 2 TB, with a user-friendly expansion design. Advantages: 2.4G, 5.8G dual-band Wi-Fi and BT 4.0. Ultra HD 4K at 60 Hz dual display. Intel 11th generation N5100 processors.
Number 2. KAMRUI Mini PC Windows 10 Pro. This mini PC is able to perform like a full desktop computer. 2022 upgraded AK2 Pro Mini PC equipped with Intel Pentium J4205 processor and 12 GB RAM 256 GB SSD, brings you a faster running speed when you deal with multitasks. It can also be used for light games, video editing, online learning, remote work and more. This small desktop computer supported 4K HD resolution. It provides you with a premium home cinema experience with clearer image. The mini computer is lower in noise than previous models thanks to smart fan cooling technology. This small form factor with 13.3 x 13, 5 by 5.2 cm computer is suitable for on-the-go business. No worry about the storage, it has an inner expansion bay allow you add your own 2.5-inch HDD, SSD to expand storage easily. This portable PC is fit for web browsing, playing video etc. HDMI X2 ports enable simultaneous 2 screens output, improving efficiency. It can be easily connected to stable network and wireless devices thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. Advantages: superior home theater PC, low noise and low consumption, dual output and multiple devices connection. Number 3. Beelink GTR5 Mini PC Ryzen 9. This mini PC Ryzen 9 is the best PC all people. With the thickness of just 2.8 cm, powered by AMD Ryzen 9 3850 with an 8-core CPU. The device has a 32 GB DDR4 memory. Features: CPU AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX. GPU AMD Radeon Graphics 8-core. Black Nano Coating Cooling Upgrade. Max 2 TB optional 500 grams, 1 TB Kingston SSD. Max 64 grams optional 16 GB, 32 GB crucial DDR. Fingerprint unlock high safety and convenience. Dual DMIE whole language control. Dual 2.5 grams RJ45 network adapter, which enable you to multitask with ease. Stream 4K video, edit media, work from home, or finish your homework. Easy to play games. Advantages: excellent performance, large storage and expandable capacity.